Man, I'm hungry. Like, I am very hungry. But I'm gonna keep this so real. I don't feel like being healthy today. Like, I definitely know what I want. I want to eat some form of meat, but like, what I'm trying to say is, I'm hungry, but I want something that is short, simple, and just to the point to make. Like, do you know anything that I might be able to make? Like,
I think this is a perfect opportunity to eat potted meat.
what's potted meat?
Potted meat is a magical concoction in which beef and pork are combined and strained mechanically and put inside a can and then covered in hot fat so it keeps for a really long time.
I don't know about that. The sound is very off-putting. I'm sorry, the name sounds very off-putting, but maybe I should not deny it. Maybe I should try it. After all, I guess I am hungry.
To Walmart!
How do you think you're gonna feel about this potted meat?
Mortified. Terrified. I think my soul's gonna leave my body. I think I'm gonna turn to stone and Medusa ain't gonna be the one to do it. It's gonna be this concoction right here.
Assorted entertainment crackers, y'all. They sing, they dance, they tell jokes.
Why are they entertainment? What do they do?
You know,
They entertain you.
Yeah.
I beg your pardon?
Gabby's getting transported, but just...
It smells like spam.
Yes, that's pretty much what it is, just in buttered form. Mom just losing all respect for my mom for letting me eat this.
What does it even look like, bro? You ate this?
It looks disgusting, doesn't it? What does it smell like?
You know that what was that small can of sausage that Papa would give us?
Spam? Oh, Vienna sausage. It kind of smells like that.
It smells like that.
This don't look like it should be. It look like chum. Like from the chum it look
Chum is fun.
So, Gabby, you gonna try some with the crackers?
This looks like you took Pinky's brain and you took his brain and you mushed it down the size. Any goofy cartoon character with a big brain like you took it then just smushed it. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at, what are you? You
not food.
Like sniffing to see if that's something you would eat.
You gotta be
It doesn't smell bad. It smells like a sausage. So smell it passed the smell test. I feel like it's going to consume me if I put it in my body. Something bad is going to happen. I'm going to eat it, and it's going to devour me from the inside out. It's like a diabolical slime. It's like, y'all ever watch Goosebumps? That one show, the one called The Blob? That's what's going to happen. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to eat the whole house. I'm going to turn into what this is. My whole room's going to be just a sludge of this. It's not, it's,
All right, so Jordan is about to try the potted meat sandwich.
Hello viewers, welcome to episode of Jordan's Reviews. Thanks for joining us here on this fine day. Yes, we have been talking about this for a good while, or from what my father had likes, potted meat. Something from his childhood, and now we're trying today. Yeah, this is his idea.
Yeah, buddy.
I disagree with this, but
Don't knock it till you try it, bro, Chacho.
I say that a lot, and I think I'm gonna have to knock it, bro, Chacho. I'm gonna have to return a sender. That is no. All y'all see is sandwich. Just know whatever this on the crackers, that's inside the sandwiches. I'm eating brain matter. This is what this is. It's not brain matter, of course, but. It's brain matter. Look at it. Look at it. It looks seasoned perfection, but don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. We're doing the Halloween special early because this.
Hey, if your mama didn't run a cooking channel, then this is the kind of stuff you eat when you're a kid. You know. No, X, save me, SOS. I guess I do. I have to do my regular spill, y'all. I gotta do what I gotta do. As we can see, of course, it looks like I've already said this. It looks like a normal sandwich on the outside. Don't be fooled. There's a menace sitting inside the sandwich. That is the potted meat, which is. You can see the thin lining of pink there, so you know that's how you know it. There's definitely something there. Now, it actually looks kind of smooth. I'm not gonna lie. From an analytic point of neatness, this looks great. It looks perfect. It's very yes. It looks very great. And from what we have over here is the butchered version, where you can tell my mother did. Yeah, she did her stuff on this one. Mama ain't gonna just let us eat anything. It's not.
I can't. It's not in me to do that.
Let us eat it how we want.
Yeah.
Dad jokes, and I'm not even the father. This is the problem. I think it rubbed off on me.
Armani, I promise you do not want this. He is so big, and he is begging for this sandwich. I promise you do not want this sandwich, dog.
You don't want the sandwich. You really don't. I'm speaking for you. I'm speaking for you, tiny one. You don't want this.
You do not want this tiny dog.
Oh, I forgot. And we have little crackers here. I'm not going to ruin the perfect formation that they're in right now in case I trigger a world-ending anomaly for even touching one of these. Now, just see that right there, it's caused an earthquake. That caused a tsunami. I don't even know what that was. We're gonna figure out. Shoot, the sun might explode, a black hole might show up in our universe. I don't know.
Alright, so you should hand one to Daddy.
I should hand one
and
to
y'all
Daddy.
Cheers and take a bite and see what they taste
the
like.
Classic through and through. And
cheers.
Does it taste like your childhood?
Some taste the same as I remember, but where are those who share the memory?
I'm gonna go watch The Incredible Hulk and Dukes of Hazzard now.
And go grab your bowl of cereal.
Right. Maybe don't mix cereal on the pot of meat and the milk. That's probably not a good.
You have to. You gotta eat both of them.
I'm trying to blow this man's stomach up.
So how bad is it, Jordan?
It's actually not that bad.
That's right.
It's actually, I think I spoke too harshly. Hang on. I think it's actually gonna hang on.
I'm a good cook.
What you say? What did you cook? I don't remember seeing you in this kitchen.
Okay, no, I ain't gonna lie. I think I see why he likes it. It actually ain't that. No, that's pretty good. So it literally just like sausage. That is literally what it tastes like, just in like buttery form. And quite frankly, I actually like that. So it's delicious.
He likes it.
Hey, Mikey.
I shockingly like it. Shocker. I know. I see. I thought I was going with it. I was going into this with the mindset thinking I was about to hate the taste of these things, and would you look how that switched? It was actually pretty darn delicious. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was expecting this to be the first one where I say, nah, and I was horribly wrong. And I haven't tried the other two, so I'm stalling.
Yeah, y'all can try the next one.
We gotta. Do you want the butter?
Sponsorship incoming.
You can have
Oh, he want to try the crackers.
the cracker? Okay. I'll try the butter.
Put some kind of garnish or something in there.
Oh, parsley. Yeah.
I was gonna say it is come with vegetables and potted meat.
You know we got to make it fancy. Okay, so I guess this one tastes better than the plain one. You should try the buttered one.
The crackers have butter on them.
No, it's not the same.
Life ain't without this one. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's really good. Oh, yes. Yeah. This one's great. They're both really great. I like the butter one though. My mouth does start watering.
Now mom's gonna try it.
Nope.
Y'all trying to make me throw up on camera?
I'll turn one on right here. Surf's up.
Y'all trying to make me throw up on the camera.
I haven't tried a cracker yet. Let me go ahead and try one.
I just can't make my mouth can't do it.
So I'm not gonna say it's good for you.
It sure is not. My mouth just won't do it.
If you've eaten a hot dog, sausage, Spam, you basically eating this. It was just a solid form.
Because it does smell like Vienna sausage.
Yeah, you love Vienna sausage, and I do.
So you just had the cracker?
100,000 out of 10.
The cracker?
That's my verdict. The whole thing. The whole thing's great. Final analysis. I was wrong. Spoke harshly. I agree. Saying my last comment. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. There's gonna be none of this left when I'm done. I'm saying that right now. Where was I?
Sorry, Armani.
I'm sorry, you ain't getting the piece. You ain't getting peace.
Oh no.
This all mine right here.
You looking so sad.
You want some toot toot? You want some toot toot?
Okay, I'll give you like I'm gonna give you a sandwich.
You want some toot
Don't
toot?
expect much more than that, Ronnie.
He was doing the whole Sarah McLaughlin face.
In the arms of the angel.
I think we said all that needs to be said. My father's childhood potted meat. I tried it, and as much as I had reservations for, as much as I had hatred towards it, as much as the sound of it, everything I originally said, I take it back. Potted meat, it's neat. It is neat.
That's the slogan, right?
That's the slogan.
Potted meat is
Potted
neat.
meat is neat. There's no other way to put it. It's actually freaking good. So all that being said, that's Jordan's reviews. And y'all heard what I said, 100,000 out of 10. I'm not kidding. It's good. Y'all heard that? Y'all heard it.
Gabby's gonna eat it. Come on, Gabby.
Yeah, guys, thanks.
Gabby, we'll pay you $100 if you eat it.
If I vomit, y'all gonna eat it up?
Yeah. Our money said he'll eat it.
Wow.
$100 if I eat it.
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Come on.
That's a lie.
Come on.
You got $100 on you?
Yes.
To give it right now?
Yes.
I think I still vomit it, but. I was gonna say Vienna sausage?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like Vienna sausage.
Yeah, you might be able to look at it.
Excuse me? Oh, thanks for the heads up. Okay. I was wrong. It is gonna eat me from the inside out. It's already happening. It's happening. It's real. It's happening, like Springtrap said. I am good. It's still good. I guess y'all gonna see me. Next time y'all see me, I'm about to be pink all over, bro. I'm gonna look like the Pink Panther in this piece. Y'all about to hear the doo-doo. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Copyright. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Anyways, that's Jordan's reviews. Y'all heard the review, and y'all already know what to do. I don't gotta say it. Y'all know. Y'all know. Now comment down below so I know I've been thinking. I have been thinking, viewers, and y'all be asking me. Y'all have been saying a YouTube channel or something for me, myself, thinking about it. But what I will add on to this is, if you have any ideas for something I should try on Jordan's reviews, politely comment it down below and I'll see what I can do about it. See if your tastes are tasting, you know, cause y'all as the viewers, I like entertaining all of y'all. So I would love to taste what you love, love. That's a lot of love. That's a lot of O's. L-O's. That's a lot of L's. That's a lot of E's. That's a lot of love. That's a lot of yeah. So all I said, y'all already said it. I I gotta go. I'm starving. I'm hungry. Big Mac attack. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.